Oh, okay, I'm finally there. Well, today I'm having tea at Kambali's Bubur at the corner of Penang Road and Jalan Datuk Koya. It's Bubur Kacang Day, by the way. Kambali's serve this delicious sweet broth of mung beans with glutinous rice, and its flavor heightened by brown sugar and enhanced by pandan leaves. You know the same leaves we use in our nasi lemak. By the way, a bowl of bubur kacang costs only ringgit 150. Let's check in. Come on. I don't have a high temperature, okay? I'm hungry. I'm just hungry. Come on. Thank you, Mamak. Thank you. Wow, so delicious. So delicious.